guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Goli. Today we want to see how we can install Kali Linux on VMware Workstation. You need just to come to Kali website and download the image that you want. For me, this one is okay. So there are already the created image for virtual machine and also different version, but I use bare metal. So I come here and I download the 64-bit and the recommended version, but I already downloaded it and I have it. So I will start just the process. So in your VMware workstation, you come just to file, new virtual machine, and next one. So you can here specify the image. So for me it's in download Kali, and next, and type is Linux, whatever you want, but I think the recommended one is 20 gigabytes, so I leave it also like that. And I also leave this as default. So this is about this configuration, and you can see here what is the default setting, and also it's possible to change it here. You can give more RAM, more CPU, and different stuff, but now I leave it as it is. And then you need just to click on finish. So you see now we have our machine here. So test, I just power on this machine and it comes up, and yes, you click here, you just graphical install. Let's see, it's coming up. Okay, here you specify your language you want. For me, English is okay. And here your location, I leave it as United States. And type of keyboard, so American English is also okay for me. So now the host name, I can it can be Kali, for me is okay. Domain name, I can leave it empty here. And again, full name of the user, so Goli is okay for me. And user, yeah, Goli. And the password, I will just choose something random. And then continue. And for the clock, you can select the time zone, but it's okay. You can choose it whatever you want. And here again leave as default as it is, and you don't need to change that. And here this one again, so continue. And again I choose the recommended option, and here also finish partitioning and write changes to the disk. And here, so write the changes to the disk. Yeah, we want to do that. Yes. So now it's installing the base system, so it takes a while, I think. So here you can install the desktop that you want, but for me XFC is okay because it's a Kali default and other options. So, and then again continue. So here it's asking if we should install the grub bootloader. In primary we should do that. Yeah, grub bootloader is something that when system wants to comes up, it organizes everything. But yeah, we should choose yes. And after that, here we'll choose this disk, the STA. So here installation is done, and we should just continue to reboot the system. And yeah, so it's getting reboot, and just press enter here. And now we have our Kali Linux. Let's go. So Goli, and my password, I hope it's correct. I don't remember that. Yeah, it's correct. So here we have our Kali Linux, and yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed and have fun. See you.